Hello everyone. You've sent your application to USCIS, but circumstances change. Now you want to withdraw your application. Maybe you were denied, or something else has happened. You've paid quite a bit of money as fees to USCIS and maybe an attorney, and you wonder if you will get these fees back. I talk about that today in this video. I'm Raluca Hanea. I provide immigration, estate planning, and family law services to my clients. Nina Clear, my marketing and office manager, is here with me, and we really appreciate your likes, shares, and comments as they help others to see our videos.
Okay, so there are all different circumstances that might make it so you've paid a lot of money to USCIS, and now something has changed and you'd like that money back, right?
Yes.
And what have you seen in your practice? Do they get that money back?
I have had clients who asked me to try to get their money back from USCIS for them because maybe they have gotten a divorce or their spouse moved away. Some have lost and then found their green card. Others have decided they need to return to their country to help the family. Some were denied and want their money back, or the application process took so long, the original applicant died. There are a number of reasons.
Okay, and so what do they or you need to do to help them get their money back?
Well, I have yet to have a client to get it back, but I did try. So I will submit a written request for a refund.
And you said you've yet to have a client get it back, but there are circumstances where someone does get their money back, right?
Yes, there are a few. USCIS states that they will return a fee if they made an error, so that an application was filed incorrectly or the wrong fee was collected.
Can you give us an example of a USCIS error?
If USCIS told someone to file for a waiver and they were ineligible, that would be a USCIS error.
Does that happen often?
USCIS errors?
Yes.
I'm sure it happens more frequently than they would admit to. Most of the time they will give out very little information, like telling someone to file a waiver. And maybe that is because they want to avoid having to return fees.
So if you file for a waiver, not with USCIS telling you to do it, but you weren't eligible, you won't get your fee back?
No.
Why is that?
You pay a fee for USCIS to review your file, application, waiver, whatever the fee is for, and they are doing the work for that. So basically your fee is earned by doing that.
So even if they deny your case, they won't return your fee?
No, they won't. The only time you are supposed to be 100% assured they will return your fee is when you have submitted a fee for premium processing, which is only possible with a few applications, and they don't process it quickly. Then they will return the premium processing fee. However, there have been instances where this has not happened and people had to submit a request for the fee to be returned. So we recommend, if you submit money to USCIS, to be prepared to not have it returned.
And premium processing is what you can send in for a couple employment visa applications, right?
That's right.
Okay, and very briefly, if you paid an attorney and your application was denied or you decided to withdraw your application, will you receive your money back?
It depends. Most immigration attorneys charge a flat fee for their services. So just as with USCIS or any other service provider, when they have done the work for you, they have used their time, so you will not they will not give you the money back. If you paid based on an hourly rate and all the hours have not been used, you should receive a partial refund. Any return of money would depend on the agreement you enter into with the attorney, so I would recommend you review that carefully before you sign it and you have any questions. Thank you to everyone who has watched this video today, as well as for all your shares, likes, and comments. Please reach out to us with questions about your immigration case. We're always here to help. See you soon.